Creating a Pandas DataFrame from a Numpy array. How do I specify the index column and column headers? I have a Numpy array consisting of a list of lists, representing a two-dimensional array with row labels and column names as shown below. I'd like the resulting data frame to have row 1 and row 2 as index values, and call 1, call 2 as header values. I can specify the index as follows. However, I am unsure how to best assign column headers.
You need to specify data, index and columns to DataFrame constructor, as in edit, as in the @us comment. You may need to change above to np.in_data 1 column to have correct data type.
Here is an easy to understand solution.
I agree with Joris. It seems like you should be doing this differently, like with NumPy record arrays. Modifying option 2 from this great answer, you could do it like this.
This can be done simply by using from_records of Pandas DataFrame.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.